Here. Good evening, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this fabulous new restaurant opening. I'm very delighted to be here with you for the opening of Rosanna. Is that how we say it? Rosanna, a fantastic restaurant in Mississauga. I saw that my colleague, Federal Member of Parliament Shafqat was here with us, and so many other distinguished guests are expected. I want to congratulate the owners, Mohammed Samuddin, Mir Ahmed Ali Khan, and Mohammed Shakir, as well as Riazuddin Mohammed, on opening this very successful restaurant. What a wonderful location. Anytime we have investment like this in Mississauga, it excites me very much that you join our family of over 98,000 businesses, many of which are small business, and the thousands of restaurants we have here. That makes us very special, that we have people from 150 different countries that speak over 200 languages. One of the things I say is not only do our newcomers come as highly skilled, highly trained labor, but they also speak many languages, and as a result, we have some of the best food in the entire country. And we have the opportunity to taste it here in Mississauga. So we are very blessed when a new restaurant like this one, like Rosanna, opens, and I want to congratulate the whole Rosanna family. And I see you have all your family here with you tonight, and your friends. Is that Minister Khalid Rashid in the back? Minister, come forward with me, please. Khalid Rashid is in the house. He's going to come forward. He's joined us as well. He's got a certificate as well. So you come on over here, and I'll pass the microphone to you next. Our minister from the provincial government, Minister Khalid Rashid, who is also MPP from Mississauga East Cooksville, he has joined us this evening. So I am very excited and wanted to come out personally and thank you and congratulate you. And I brought you a little script as well on the opening of Rosanna, a Biriani Royal Barbecue. I'm pleased to welcome you to the city of Mississauga. You are a welcome addition to our dynamic and growing business community. Thank you for choosing our city as home and your business for creating good local jobs that keep our economy thriving. It is businesses like Rosanna Royal Barbecue that keep our great city moving forward. And I wish you many years of growth, success, and opportunity here in Mississauga. Congratulations to you.
Yes.